When it comes to trailers, we can help you find any of the equipment that is required to successfully run your business. That it is, of course, the oven, but refrigeration, the dough mixer, and more. In terms of ovens, we have different options, and one of them is what we call the mobile pods. The mobile pods are designed to be installed directly on your trailer. So if you already have a trailer and you just need the oven, we'll custom build the stand and the oven so it can be installed inside or on your trailer. So when it comes to selecting a trailer or a truck, there are many options out there and a huge range of prices. And often the question we get is, why should we buy a trailer through you when I can find something cheaper or less expensive from someone else? The short answer is that there is a huge difference in quality. Our ovens and trailers are specifically built for mobile applications. So the trailers will have a very specific type of framing for the chassis and reinforcement to make sure that the oven is properly supported and that the trailer and the oven last a long time.